everyone. We are from Government Secondary School, Manut. Here we are going to present cheapest an automatic hand sanitizer machine. Introduction. Demand for hand sanitizer has surged since the coronavirus broke out and spread around the world. Hand sanitizer are usually applied by squirting the sanitizer liquid when one presses a pump with one's hand. This causes many people come into contact with the pump handle, which increases the risk of viral transmissions. Some hand sanitizer on the market are automatically pumped. However, because sanitizer containers and pump devices are designed to compatible only between produced product by the same manufacturers, consumer must also repurchase the containers for the liquid if they replace the hand sanitizer. Therefore, this paper suggests the design of an automatic hand sanitizer system compatible with various sanitizer containers. Why this automatic hand sanitizer? We have seen during this COVID-19 pandemic, the demand of hand sanitizer has been increased exponentially across the globe. Somehow, we are getting sanitizer through market or from sponsor, but there is a high risk of getting contaminated from the virus due to manually pumped sanitizer, especially in the large gatherings areas such as school, college, offices, village administrative center, etc. But there is only one way to prevent all this is to use automatic hand sanitizer machine in such areas. This kind of automatic hand sanitizer machine is very costly, around minimum rupees 4,000, and only worked in electricity, which is not possible in village area where continuously shortage of electricity. But we have came with an idea to make this kind of hand sanitizer machine at cheapest price around rupees 500 and also rechargeable with high battery backup. With this our small innovation, we can reach out every corner of villages in our state. Working principle. Mainly there are two important things behind this device to work. Infrared proximity sensor. Automatic sanitizer dispenser designed for use with liquid, soap or sanitizer are now widely available. And you may well know that the hands-free operations reduce the spread of viruses and germs. An IR proximity sensor works by applying a voltage to a pair of IR lights imitating diodes, LEDs, which in turn emit infrared light. This light propagates through the air, and once it hits an object, it is reflected back towards the sensor. If the object is close, the reflected light will be stronger than if the object is further away. The sensing unit in the form of an integrated circuit IC detects the reflected infrared light, and if its intensity is strong enough, the circuit becomes active. When the sensing unit becomes active, it sends a corresponding signal to the output terminal, which can then be used to activate any number of devices. If it is not detecting any obstacles behind IR sensor, the circuit becomes inactive. This sensing device we have connected here to the motor circuit. Here, if IR sensor detect any obstacle, it breaks the circuit to the motor. Electric pump motor. We have used centrifugal pump, which are used to transport fluids by the conversion of rotational kinetic energy to the hydrodynamic energy of the fluid flow. The rotational energy typically comes from an engine or electric motor. The fluid enters the pump impeller along or near to the rotating axis, and it accelerated by the impeller, flowing radically outward into a diffuser or volute chamber, from which it exits. Results. We have designed hand sanitizer system that is compatible with various containers. When one moves one hand close to the device, the hand sanitizer container automatic pumped once and very safe to use. Materials used. We have used simple waste materials which is eco-friendly such as waste cardboard, 9-volt battery and wire connector, proximity sensor, transistor, lead bulbs, resistance, air pump DC motor, wire, spring wire, plastic bottle, chart paper, syringe tube.